Okay, guys, so there's been oh guys, this is my street. I'm gonna show you my street. Okay, my dad, he might not be coming home. I'm really sad now. I'm scared completely because yeah, I'm afraid. Okay, guys, so guys, a car's stuck in the bank. This is scared. Go out here, guys. Well, guys, look at this car. It's stuck in the bank. Guys, I gotta be careful. This is hard. Guys, literally. Okay, this is my foot. Okay, you see that? That's all complete ice. I can't go out there and slide. But guys, this car's in the ditch. Tell my mom this. Guys, this is how bad it is where my place is. Mom, guess what? Mom, another car just flew into the bank completely.
Oh yeah?
Our front end just it's inside the bank.
He's stuck?
Yeah, and this guy said, the neighbor next door, he said, there's nothing I can do now. The car's just gonna have to sit there. Come on here, look at this out the window. Holy crap! It's slick! I was trying to walk and I can't. Oh guys, I'm just saying this. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to zoom in and see if I can find this car. No. The car got out. Okay, good. But guys, if you guys are on that bus, it collisioned sideways, or if you guys ever get hurt, just remind you guys, if I ever get hurt, somebody's gonna take my place, my YouTube channel. Because my bus driver, he slid up here, and I had to go where the car light is. I had to go down their street because it was so bad. And they're even trying to go too, but they can't. And guys, this chair is ice. Guys, I might have to get on the ground. Yeah, I got to. Oh my god. This will be a nightmare. Oh my god. It looks like they're having problems too. It's freezing now. Guys, look what I have to do. I have to slide across the ground, and I look like these. Oh my. Guys, it's kind of licorice snow over here. I need to get some clothes on. It's crazy. The car got out of that ditch again, but okay, where's my gloves? My hands are pretty big. Guess why I need my gloves? Oh, watch these cars. What? I think I have my gloves on. Oh my god. I have to get on my bare knees and slide. Okay guys, I need to go catch on this action. There's my dirt bike. Oh, wait a minute, what? Oh my god, this car. Oh. Guys, if you guys were on a bus and you guys watch my YouTube channel, I'm praying for you because stuff might happen to me too. Because my bus driver, he slid up there where those Christmas lights are at. I know it's kind of blurry, but sorry if it's blurry or everything, because I'm just rushing. Guys, I called it! Ouch! Mom! Did you just hear a big echo boom? A car went too fast, they spun, hit the corner of the car, and then hit the bank.
They crashed into a car apparently?
No, this car went flying, hold its brakes real fast, and then it spun out. Gloria, they're down here at Janet's.
They're down by Janet's and they crashed.
I'm gonna go down there by Rosie's yard and check this out.
You stay away from cars though.
Okay.
Stay on the yard.
Okay, I know. I just need to capture this for my YouTube channel. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I just completely caught that on YouTube. I need to go down to my aunt's anyway, so I need to get down here anyway. Hopefully I don't slide. There goes that. There goes that. It's like a neighbor's car. Oh my god. There's a car in my grandma's driveway. It's slick. I don't know if I ever get down there. Guys, it's snowing everywhere. I'm not sure if I'm going to get down. Mom, I'm gonna go down to Janet's anyway. I want to talk to her anyway.
Oh, like you really want to talk to Janet. You just want to be nosy. When was the last time you wanted to talk with Janet?
I really want to. I'm not gonna see her that much.
You stay in the yard then.
Okay. Whoa, it's freaking nice. That's what it is.
Well, bust your ass.
Oh my god, you have to be so intense-ment. What else do you think? I'm just seeing what's going on. Did you see the car fly down here?
What happened?
The car went flying down here, and I caught this on YouTube too. This car went flying and held its back brakes and everything, and then it turned sideways and it burnt out and then hit at the back end of a truck. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. The car went like flying. There's a car like sitting right here too. They're probably scared too. They even moved. Oh my god, I'm sliding everywhere.
Yeah. I came home this morning. This one better go a while ago. You fucking slick.
I know. And I gotta go back over to my house. I was just seeing if they were gonna be okay over here, Dad. They ran to the corner of the truck. So yeah, guys.
I ain't gonna stay out here that long. It's too cold for this shit.
I know.
I ain't staying out here. Just record it from there. Don't go down there.
I know. But guys, do you see that car right there? That car you see right there? Yeah, that's the car that just now crashed. I'm leaving now because I'm getting too cold. My gloves cannot keep me warm at all. Yeah, but guys, if you guys see that car went flying and then how I captured it whenever it started spinning, yeah. I pray to you guys. You guys watch my YouTube channel. Oh my god. god, this is freaking slick. Man. You should have seen the car, Jason. It went flying down here. I had to go silent. Jason, watch out. That's complete ice. Yeah, guys. I'm going to pray to you guys that it was in that car.
Started down going sideways. That's bad.
Hey! Oh, shit!
I got the view of it all, man. I can see it all. From the top of the hill all the way to your curve. There's somebody stuck down there in your curve. I got the best view. I got the best view. I can see it all.
It is like a sheep out there.
I know.
I don't have to work.
A fucking sheet of ice.
I really wanna like go down to Janet's and capture this a little bit more.
It's too cold to do that, Brandon.
Why?
Well, Brandon was on his way, but he's back over here.
I might go back. I might go over there.
Well, she was looking for you.
Yeah, I'm going over there now. I need to get better looks anyway, because my camera cannot focus on nothing right now. I move too much. I'll take this headlight, guys. I'm going to have to push my camera down a little bit. I'm going to put on my headlight so I can see.
Shelby said she'll meet you.
Okay.
All right, bye.
What, is she trying to capture this on YouTube too?
Turn your TV off if you're leaving.
Mom, can you turn on my flashlight? I can't turn it on. I just dropped my tablet. That's me. Can you? It's bright.
There you go.
One more. Two more, actually. Is it all of them? Okay. Hey guys, I'm really gonna capture this on YouTube. And I need to go down there and I gotta watch out for ice, guys. Okay guys, you see this? This is all ice right here. Like, this is a complete fake sheet. Right now when I'm crossing, there's a complete fake sheet of ice. Guys, I'm gonna go get a better look. My down here is waiting for me, so. Yeah, guys, if you guys go to my YouTube channel and you guys just now did that, guys, sorry my camera was all game, but because it's like icy and wetty stuff, but yeah, guys, if you guys watch my YouTube channel, I'm praying for all you guys that crash on your dirt bikes in the snow, winter, and all that stuff. I'm praying to you guys because this hopes for me my lot. Because there's a cord still there, but there's a person. Well, that 26 ton. Damn, there's a toad. Guys, the fucking snow. Shit. Guys, this is what's fucking going. Shit. I don't have the fucking shield goggles though. But yeah, there's a truck and there's a car. Damn, holy fuck. I can't walk that fast. Shit. Walk that fucking stairs. Damn it. Oh fuck. Guys, I'm already sliding now. But yeah, oh, this video will go. Fuck! I had to get on my knees and all that stupid shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. My feet just sliding. Oh fuck.
Don't know what you off that.
Yeah. Look, it's just Brandon. Oh my god. You should have seen the car, how it was flying. Oh my god, I'm afraid to shoot.
You make it?
Yeah.
There's somebody out there in the ditch.
I know. That's the car I recorded on my videotape. That car was flying.
He was?
Yeah, flying down the mountain. He put his brakes on complete. Like,
he ended up there.
Yeah, I heard his tires going backwards really fast.
That's what Shelby heard, doesn't he?
And then he started hitting his brakes and then kaboom! He hit the rear end of
He
his
was coming
truck.
down the hill and then turned around and back in the ditch.
Well, no, he didn't turn. He moved his things and he hit the rear end of the car and made his whole car slid into the ditch.
He hit a car?
Yeah, a truck.
Oh, Brandon said they did hit out here.
Monday 20, Tuesday 39 by Wednesday cars.
He said they did hit out here, a car and a truck.
But guys, there's a truck right there.
See, I didn't know.
It's sitting there. I don't know if that's a truck. It's a car. But
Yeah, that's what Brandon just said too. So they hit.
they hit the rear end of the truck.
He said they hit the rear end. Buddy, this truck was in my driveway earlier, buddy.
And there's a car in Rosie's driveway too.
Yeah. Can you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, guys, you see that car right there? That's the car. It went flying all the way up there to down here.
Shelby, you left the door open.
Oh my god. All I see is parts and pieces off the cars. It collided. There's literally a car in our in Rosie's driveway just sitting there. And guess what?
Hold on, Scrappy.
Janet, guess what? You better not go down your porch. It's ice.
Yeah, I know it's ice.
I had to crawl up, and whenever I was getting on my bus, the bus started, the front tire turned. He's like, I'm gonna let you off right here, and I got off, and I was moving forward, and I slid backwards, and I had to crawl on my knees.
All right, fine. You crawled on your knees.
Yeah,
Oh
our next door neighbor took their truck down here. They slid when they were facing our front door, and then they were trying to turn, and he was turning it around to try to get it up on the back of the same road.
We called down. He's stuck out in Chesterfield.
Oh my god!
He can't get home. He says it's so slick.
Yeah, and that car. Oh my
Turn
god!
the speaker on. You can hear him.
All that. Tell him about the car crash. How that car was flying.
I will.
Like I seen that car. His two tires were off the ground.
Oh shit.
And then it hit it. I hear them yelling they're like, oh god! And then they started turning, and then
Shelby said they were laughing too.
yeah, and then they hit the left side of the truck, and then spun out.
Person cannot be reached at the moment.
He'll call back in a minute.
Yeah. See, Shelby was right. I heard a boom, and I seen the car because I was looking down.
Heard them hitting.
Yeah, I was looking down the driveway, and the car was leaning like this, and then it hit the rear end of the truck,
my God.
and then it flew into the ditch.
Oh shit.
And there was a car up here. They were going up here. The neighbor car was pulling in its driveway. The car was spun out its tires, trying to go forwards, and then it flew into the ditch. And there was another car. It was going down, slid its tires, and then ran right into the ditch.
Oh.
I caught that on YouTube too. So guys, end the video here because this has been dramatic. And part 2 will be here too.
Did you get them recorded when they hit?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So guys, end the video here, and part 2 will be coming back later on.